Hunter, and then Hunter leading the way.
Yeah. Where's Kayla? There's Ryan.
Ryan.
Oh, look at Zach.
Look at Zach.
Kayla! Kayla!
Woo! Hey, Carly, keep both hands on the steering wheel.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
That's Tara's boyfriend. That would be Tara's boyfriend. He's my Spanish class. He always talks to me.
There's Allie.
Yeah, it's just slower than dirt.
There's not very many of them.
I know. Where'd they all go? Oh, look, bringing up the rear.
Oh, here comes another one. He's on a scooter, and then this one's on a little...
That's Thomas Shooty. That's Thomas Shooty, Mom.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Wonder where he got that.
Look at him. He's going slower than dirt. He's probably going to run out of gas by the time he gets there.
He might. Oh, and someone's on a horse.
Oh my gosh. That's freaking weird.